person grabbed my wrist. I wouldn't want to punch them right now because all they did was grab my wrist. Legally, this could be considered me using more force than necessary, excessive force, than what was required to get my hands free from this hold. If that were true, if I did this and I, for example, broke his jaw, then I would be found guilty possibly of a crime, but also I could be sued for the damages to his jaw. Remember, he has no damage to me. This is why we would use an escape technique. An escape technique, such as going around the circle over the thumb, which puts our hand here, biomechanically breaking the hold, but simultaneously not injuring the individual. This is why it's important to have 3 different levels of response: escaping, controlling, or immobilizing the threat based on the fact that they are the cause of the escalation. Your training physically, which is what we call the threat management continuum, gives you the ability to create conditions using the least amount of force so you can create safety safely. So if he grabs and I want to escape, I go towards the thumb in a circle. If I want to control, I go the other way towards the pinky, going over in a circle and down, and now I have control over the person. You'll be able to control them using joint locks. If your life's in more danger and they grab, there's a bottle, a knife, or the situation conditions are very dangerous, meaning we're on top of a roof or we're near a cliff or something, meaning if he pulls me, I could die. Now my life's in imminent danger. So in this case, instead of boxing or fighting them using a sport technique, using sport concepts, what I'm going to do is take from them the ability to stand, breathe, or see. Because my life's in imminent danger, I can use the highest level of response to this stimulus, meaning because he's trying to cause me great bodily harm, I can use force that causes him great bodily harm, the attacker. So here, I will go to the eyes, I will go to the throat, I will go to the knees. These are the 3 areas that stop the human aggressor from being able to attack you and your family. So if someone's attacking you, if they're using one level of force, which is not injurious, meaning, for example, he's pushing or grabbing, then I would want to use an escape technique. If they continue, but again, I'm still not hurt, there's no excessive use of force or no weapon involved, I'm going to use a control technique in order to control and restrict their movement. If I cannot control them and I still believe my life's in danger, then I'm going to move to take from them the ability to see, breathe, stand, so that I can get myself, my family to safety, or in the case of an executive protector, taking your client safely. So you want to use the least amount of force possible in order to create safety and therefore decreasing your likelihood of both prosecution and being sued simultaneously. These are the intelligent options that will increase your survivability.